Marvelous Mavs. This is Mr. Newman again, coming to you live from my home, and it's time for us to do some sound spelling review. You can see the screen there. I've got a bunch of letters and combination of single letters and double letters that make sounds. The way this is going to work is when I touch to the side of the letter, do you see my little arrow cursor up there next to the S? Okay, so when I touch to the side of the letter, you're going to think about that letter's sound in your head. When I slide my cursor under the letter, you'll say the sound out loud. I'll do the first two. It looks like this. Watch me. Sound, s, sound, s, sound, j, sound, j. Your turn. Sound. Did you say s? Good work. Try the next one. Sound. 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 And sound. Nice work, Marvelous Mavs. One other thing that I wanted to point out to you is, do you see the C and the E here? Whenever we have an E following a C, we get what we call the soft C sound, which sounds like an S, like in the word fence, F-E-N-C-E. Hear the S sound? The same happens with the letter G. When an E follows the G, we get what we call a soft G sound, which is like a J sound, like in the word bridge, B-R-I-D-G-E. Do you hear the J sound? J. Just something to keep in mind. Thanks, you did a great job, and we will see you later.